Audi.
What would you like to do?
Hey Audi, tell me a joke.
Pardon?
Yeah.
still in the vehicle. LEUVENSES TEENWED